Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you students? Hopefully you will complete your lesson 1. Now we start lesson 2 of maths. First, note down the page number. We start from page number 10. Open your book and page number 10. 5-digit numbers and their names. Sarah has written the names of 5-digit numbers. First we must know the place value chart. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000 and 10,000s. If the number is 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, how we name them? We name it 61,234. If the number is 78815, how we name them? We name them 78,815. In this way, we write the names of the 5-digit numbers. Now students, start exercise 1, page number 10. First write the date over there. Then name the numbers of these digits. If the digit is 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, by using place value chart, we must write the name. It is 45,200 and 34. In this way, we write the names of the other numbers. If the number is 98017, how we name them? 98,017. Write the name over there. Part C, 60,666. Write the name over there. In this way, you complete your exercise 1 by the help of the given examples. Now page number 11, exercise 2 and 3. In this exercise, you have to write the number and matches each name. If it is 65,321, how we write this? 65,321. If the number is 10,509, 10,509. 14,041. In thousands, we write 14,041. In this number name, 100 is not given, so we write in 100 columns 0. By the help of these examples, complete this exercise 2. Now exercise 3 of the same page. Write these numbers in 10, thousands, 100, tens and ones. We break them into different units. 10,000s, how many 10,000s are there? 50, 5, 10 thousands. How many thousands? 6,000. How many hundreds? No hundred is there. How many tens? 1 10. And how many ones? 3 ones. In this way, we complete exercise 3 by the help of these examples. Now open page number 13, exercise 1 and 2. First write the date over there. Now look at the following 4-digit numbers. One of the digit has been circled. Write its values and draw beads on the abacus to show the value. First we write the ring digit number, then we draw the beads. In this example, number is 4602 and the circle number is 6. The value of the number is 100. We write 6 hundreds and draw 6 beads in the 100 columns. In part B, the number is 9006 and the circle number is 9 and the value of circle number is 1000. How we write it? First we write 9000. Then we draw 9 beads in the 1000 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. In this way, complete the part C and D. Now exercise 2. Write the value of the circle digits. If the circle digit is 9 and the number name is 6497, we write 9 over there and the value of 9 is tens, or we write it like 90. Look at part C. If the number is 2160, we named it 2160. The circle digit is 1 and the value of the circle digit is 100. Or we write it like 100. In this way, complete part A till H. Now open page number 14. First, write the date over there. Write the following numbers in expanded form. All of you know that how we expand the numbers. Write the numbers and after the numbers, how many digits are there? Zeros are added with the number. If it is 6839, how we write it? 6000 plus 800 plus 30 plus 9. If it is 34,904, how we write it? 30,000 plus 4,000 plus 900 plus in tens 0 then 4. Now look at the part G. It is 50,437. How we write it? 50,000 plus in thousands, no number is there, plus how many hundreds? 400. Then how many tens? 30 tens. Plus how many ones? 7 ones. In this way, you complete our exercise or complete the exercise by the help of the given examples. Part 1, exercise 1, part A till J. Now students, page number 15. It is for your homework, but I will explain it for you. Look at the expanded forms, then write the number. 7,000 plus 300 plus 10 plus 6. How we write it? 7,316. Look at the part F. It is 70,000 plus 9,000 plus 200 plus 60 plus 1. How we write it? 79,261. In this way, complete the exercise 2. Now, predecessor and successor. All of you know that before the number, after number, and between the number. In before, what we have to write? The number before 5648, it is 5647. 3275. The number before 3275 is 3274. And after, we write the next number. If the number is 6999, another number we have to add plus 1. In this, we got 7,000. In this, 8,642, the number after this is 8,643. And in between, 9858. And then the last number 9660. What is the number between these two numbers are? 9659. Yes, we add one number, we got the between number. In this way, complete your exercise 1, page number 15. Now student, open page number 16. In page number 16, what you have to do, write the predecessor and successor. All of you know what is the meaning of predecessor and successor. In previous class, you already know about these. Predecessor. If 6 is the predecessor of 7, means before. 49 is the predecessor of 50. 3,999 is the predecessor of 4,000. In this way, 88,888 is the predecessor of 88,889. The number that comes just after the number is called that number successor. Succeed means follow. Next number. 5 is the successor of 4. 140 is the successor of 139. 5,000 is the successor of 4,999. 36,711 is the successor of 36,710. After this, the number comes is this. 72,105 is the successor of 72,104. Now, start the exercise. Write the date over there. Write the predecessor. Pred means before. The numbers comes before 1001. What is the number? The number is 1000. If the number is 5,870, what the number comes before 5,870? We look at the number 70. Before 70, it is 69. We write 5,869. Like this, if the number is 72,150, what is the predecessor? The number is 72,149. Now exercise 2. Write the successor. Means next number. If the number is 1,596, the successor is 1,597. In this way, if the number is 9999, what we have to do? Just add the 1 over there. It becomes 0. It becomes 0. It becomes 0, and it is 10. Now, if the number is 45,053, what is the next number? The number is 45,054. In this way, complete your page number 16. Now, page number 17. Question number 3. Fill in the boxes. The greatest one-digit number is 9. Because after 9, we got 10. It is a two-digit number. Its successor is dash, which is the smallest two-digit number. Its successor is 10. 10 is a two-digit number. After single digit, we got two-digit number. Which is the smallest two-digit number? 10 is the smallest two-digit number. The greatest two-digit number is 99. Because after 99, the successor of 99 is 100. And the 100, which is the smallest three-digit numbers. After 99, it is 100, and 100 is a three-digit number and smallest three-digit numbers. Like this, the greatest three-digit number is 999. After 999, its successor is 1000. And 1000 is the smallest four-digit number. Now, exercise 4. In this exercise, you identify the circle number as predecessor or successor, then put a tick in the correct box. What you have to do? Identify the ring digit and compare with another number. It is a successor or a predecessor. Like in part 1, the number is 5698 and another number is 5697. It is a successor of 5697. We take the successor. In part B, 3110 and the ring number is 3109. 3109 is the predecessor of this number. Then we take over there. If the number in part S, the number is 75,129 and another number is 75,130. The circle number is the predecessor of this number. Then we take in the predecessor box. 12,458 and another number is 12,457 and it is a successor of this number. Now we take in this box. In this way you complete your exercise 4, page number 17. Now page number 19, exercise 1 and 2. Before starting the exercise, write date over there. Place greater than or smaller than in each box. Which digits did you compare? In this exercise, we write the symbol of greater than or less than in these boxes, and which digit we compare, we must write the name over there. 3906 and another number is 3956, which it is smaller than this number. Then we use the symbol of smaller than. And which digit we compare? Tens. In part C, 9004 is dash than 8004. Greater or smaller? Yes, it is greater than. And which number we compare? 1000. In this way, you complete your exercise A till H. First, write the smaller or greater symbols in these boxes, and then which digit we compare, write the names of that digits. Now part 2, fill in the blanks using greater or smaller. If it is 3024, 3024 is greater than 4023 or smaller than? It is less than. In part B, 2569. It is greater than 1659 or smaller? It is greater. Now part Q. It is 68,327. And another number is 68,297. The difference is in hundreds. Then it is greater or smaller? Yes, it is greater. So we write the symbol of greater than. Part N, 75,201 and 75,210. 201 is smaller than 210. We use the symbols of greater than or smaller than to complete this exercise. Now complete the exercise by the help of the symbols greater than or smaller than. Now students, in your lesson 2, your classwork pages are 10, 13, 14, 16, 17, 19. And your homework pages are 9, 11 and 15. Complete these pages. Inshallah, we will start our lesson 3 later.